Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about categories of alternative investments. As you can see in front of you, there's a flowchart of categories of alternative investments. So the categories are hedge funds, private equity funds, real estate, commodities, infrastructure, and many more. Let's start with hedge funds. Now, what does a hedge fund do? So it invests in illiquid assets using some long short strategies, long short positions, derivatives, leverage, and whatnot. So there are a lot of strategies which you will be studying for a hedge fund. Private equity fund, the next topic. Basically, a private equity fund would invest a lot of money into a startup or an unlisted firm or a venture capital fund, etc. etc. What does a private equity fund do? So basically, it will invest all your money into a startup, it will grow that startup, and then it will sell it to the public and earn a lot of profit. Third one is real estate. We all are aware of it. So it invests in residential or commercial properties or REITs, which is Real Estate Investment Trust, or MBS, mortgage backed securities. Next is commodity. So they invest in physical commodities or derivatives or even equity of some commodity producers. So you can buy gold or you can buy shares of a gold seller. Anything would be fine. Infrastructure. Now, infrastructure assets like roads, dams, airports, schools, hospitals, etc. These assets, you can invest your money in these assets, not for you and me, but for some large players like some institutions or you can say L&T in India. And other categories like collections, stamps, wines, antiques, and patents. So even these kind of investments have a lot of value after some years. Even wine, as older as it gets, it will be expensive. So all in all, these 6 categories we will be studying in this subject. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda. Thank you.